Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your universal jug holder. First we're going to install it into our Polaris Ranger. To do that you'll need to start with your base plate and then your upright. Now you want to install your bolt through your upright and then put your lock nut on there. Now we can install your slider bracket onto your upright bracket using the carriage bolts. Now you can put your neck on your sliding bracket. Now you're ready to loosely install your lock and ride clamps. Now you can put your rubber trim on the inside of the U bracket. You can take your pivot bolt and install on one side of your U bracket to your neck. Now you want to select the location you want to put your jug holder. You can put it in any of the lock and ride positions. With your bolts loose, you can slide it into place. Now you get ready to put your jug in there and adjust your height of your neck. To do that, you'll put your neck around there and install your pin on the other side. To set the height of your neck, you will find where you want it and then tighten your carriage bolts. Now that you have tightened your carriage bolts, you can slide it down into the bed. Now that you got it adjusted where you want it, you can tighten your lock and ride clamps. When you're not using your jug, you can fold it down out of the way. When you're ready to use it, you simply fold it up, pull your pin out, place your jug in the neck, and put your pin back in. While you're transporting your jug, you can put a bungee strap around your jug to hold it secure. You can also use a lock instead of the pin to secure your jug and keep theft.